Will you ever cease to make me believe there are angels in human form?
God makes an angel sparkle like a northern star in an angelic future.
Thank you so much for finding my only sister worthy of your love.
The thing is, she never told me she had an elder brother not until yesterday.
I've used applying my makeup to keep my husband waiting for so long.
Could she make me take a sex steroid tonight and she's wasting all this time before coming? Nelly, are you planning to kill me? My thing go post too.
Sign this check.
I'd rather die than sign that check.
I want you to have me. I am dripping wet for you.
I trapped you for raping me repeatedly. Don't you know how to treat a woman?
I will make it up to her within chop.
What
guarantee do I have that the person who actually wants me dead will not silence me before the people who want me alive get to me?
I will kill myself. Is it my crime? Is it a crime that my family is poor?
If no real treatment commences before noon tomorrow, he will die. And there is nothing any doctor will do about it.
If I leave this place without those documents, I am going to call in the police, arrest all of you, and ask them to detain you indefinitely.
If you fail to pay me as I agreed, I take her.
That can only happen the very day I drop dead.
You hurt her for one. Papa, you will have my corpse in your hands.
What if
Raymond will not come in here?
What have I done?
You have been sleeping with my wife in my own hotel.
Oh, come on. I have taken in for you 3 good times, but I had them aborted.
what?